mass sums. Which sums? Bod mass. Huh? In bod mass, what do we do? What do we find? BODMAS. है ना? First of all, B for bracket, there is not any bracket. O for off, there is not any off. D for divide. The divide is between these two digits, 6 and 2. So how will we solve this? We will first divide 6 by 2. It means whenever this kind of situation given, what you have to do after the symbol of division, the number which is given, you have to put it outside of the division symbol, and you have to put inside the number that is before the division symbol. It means you have to make this number as a divisor and this number as a dividend. Okay, remember this thing always, that the number which is after the division symbol, that always become divisor, and the number before the division symbol, that always become dividend. Okay, now you have to read the table of 2 until 6 come. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. You got 6 here. In how many times you got 6? 3 times. 2 3s are 6, so 3. You will write the 3 instead of these two number. You will write 3 here. Huh? After solving these two number, you will write 3 here, and before the thing whatever are written, you have to note down as it is. Okay, you have noted down plus here 3. Okay, you have solved here the next step also. So after solving this, you can solve this also. 2 3s are 6, because the divide symbol is done, and after that multiplication, M for multiplication, the multiplication is in between these two numbers, so we will multiply them. 2 3s are 6, so 40 minus 6 plus 3. So now the next step will be, if you left the next step here, I can see that you have left one step. So the next step should be, you have to write the uh, after multiplication the addition comes. So the number which are in addition symbol are only 40 and 3. Because the symbol is attached with the numbers before the number. The symbol is attached before the number. So this plus belongs to this 3, and this minus belongs to this 6, not this 40. So the symbol of 40 is here. Before 40, the plus is hidden. So that is the symbol of 40. So we will add them, 40 and 3. We will take them to each other. So 40 plus 3, we will note down them with each other, and after that we will write 6. Okay, now we will add them. 40 plus 3 becomes 43 minus 6. 43 minus 6 become what? 37. You got the answer right, 37. You can write directly here, but if you show these steps, you will get good marks. Okay, so the next question is, I think the connection is poor. The next question is, in this kind of situation, I think the connection is not stable. Wi-Fi is connected, but the connection is not stable. Okay. Okay, listen. So in this kind of situation, we will first solve the according to bod mass. The bracket is here. Bracket is here. So we will fall inside the bracket and note down all the numbers as it is, all the symbols and numbers as it is. So how will we solve this? First we will add 5 and 2, because the 2 has having plus sign and 5 is also having plus sign hidden here. So if we add them, 5 plus 2 become 7. 5 plus 2 become 7. 7 minus 3 it will become 4. 7 minus 3 get 4 बचे. So instead of this bracket, we will write the result of this number after solution. 5 plus 2 7 minus 3 4. We got 4 here, so we will replace 4 with this. So before this the minus was there, and before minus there was 100. So as it is I have noted down, and after this plus sign was there, and after that 4 5s are 5, because division is bod mass है ना. Bracket is over, you have done है ना. There is not any of, and division sign, there is not any division sign, and after that multiplication comes, we will multiply them. 4 5s are 20. So I have written 20 here, and now the number which are in plus sign are only 120. 4 is in minus sign. So plus is hidden here. The symbols are hidden before the numbers. Okay, and we will add them 120. So after before adding them, we will take them to near to each other. write them near to each other, and after that minus 4 is written. 100 plus 20, 120 minus 4, 120 minus 4, 116. This we got the right answer. Okay, so after that, if I come to this sum, so board mass, there is not any division symbol, not any bracket division. We are having multiplication symbol between these two numbers. So we'll first multiply them. 8 2s are 16. Before this, the plus was written, but she has written minus. So she has mistaken here. You will write plus symbol here, and after that 4 minus 2 not solved here. Plus is here, 4 is here, and I think she has tried to solve that. So if you want to, you have done the multiplication. Then after that, so you'll have to erase this. So the 50 is here, plus 4 is here, minus 2 is missing here. So you'll write minus 2 here, and after the plus, it was a 16. Okay, let it be. So now will come multiplication. Board mass na multiplication is over, addition and then subtraction. So addition is before this 4 and this before this 16, before this 4 and before 50 also. Okay. So the number we got 50 plus 4, 54, minus 2. We will write the minus 2 in the last, because the numbers which are of plus sign, we will write them together. And okay, 2 is written in the last. 54 plus 16, how much? 70, I think. 70 plus 4, 74. 74 minus 2, 74 means 2. If we reduce 2 if we subtract 2 from 74, we will get 72. This is the right answer. Okay, so how to solve this sum? We will first find the board mass. In board mass, there is not any bracket, there is not any off, there is not any division symbol, there is multiplication symbol between these two numbers. So we will focus on this number first. 2 5s are 10. We have written 10 here, and before this the 2 was written, minus was written, and 70 was written, and minus was written, and up to so on we have noted down as it is all the numbers. Okay, now we will focus on the number which are having plus sign. So 70 is having plus sign and 2 is having plus sign. So we will write them with each other, and minus 10 minus 8 is written also. 70 plus 2 becomes 72, minus 10 minus 8 we'll write as it is, and 72. So we can here are two methods to solve this. So we can subtract first 72 minus 10, it will become 62. It will become 62. After solving these two numbers, we got 62 minus 8. 62 minus 8 become 54. Okay, got that? Or the next method was 72. If we write the 72 as it is, and minus minus plus 10 are 18. यहाँ पे हम second I am trying to write the second method here. We write the 72 here, minus minus plus, लेकिन sign minus का लगेगा, minus minus plus, we will write the sign minus sign, yet because the number which is bigger, if there are two minus sign, we will always write minus sign after solving them. Minus minus plus, we will do addition. 10 plus 18 become 10 plus 10, 8 becomes 18. 72 minus 18 becomes 54. The answer will get the same, but the way to remember this. Okay. So for next sum, this is your next sum. You have to try of your own, because I have taught you many sums like this also. Try for that. Take the screenshot. Okay, for next sum, I think this might be just tough sum for you, so I will try to teach you. So 96 minus 4, okay, into 3, we will write as it is, because the in board mass first we touch what? Bracket. So we have the bracket here, so we'll write the number as it is. So in bracket we are able to find the 5 minus 6 divided by 2. So inside bracket we have got the division symbol. So inside bracket, so we will do division inside bracket first. So we will read the table of 2 until 6 come, So in bracket we will write the 5 first, minus 5 minus 2. We will read the table of 2 until 6 come. 2 3s are 6. Or we will divide the 6 as it is, as I have told you earlier. So 2 3s are 6. We have written 3 instead of these two numbers. Okay. Now a bracket is not solved fully. So until we will write the things as it is. So 5 minus 3, we got 2. Now bracket is solved. Whenever we got the monomial, means single number, so we will remove the bracket. If we don't remove the bracket until there are binomial statement is written there. Binomial means the two digits between having the two digits between them have between them minus or plus sign. That is known as binomial. Okay, if there are multiplication division symbol, that is known as monomial. So we got 2 here. Now we move for the BODMAS. Bracket is done and divide, not division symbol is remaining here. Now multiplication. Multiplication is between 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. We will write the as it is things. Remaining things will be written as it is. 19 plus 2, 96 plus 2, 96 is 1 plus 2, 96 plus 2, 98 minus 12. So 98 minus 12, comment the right answer here. Okay. Now try to solve this of your own, and I'm gonna show you the sums for practice. Here's the list of sums you have to practice. Note down these sums in your copy and try to solve this. If you don't get the answer, then comment. I'll tell you the answer of the. If you will not get, if you do not practice, you will not understand the concepts. After practicing a lot, you will be able to solve such kind of sums. Okay, work hard. Try to solve these questions and try to go through again these questions. Watch the video again and again if you are not able to understand the concept. If you watch the video again and again, you will get the things properly and perfectly. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Try to solve the questions.